dock is the last time you will ever see them. But then again, you probably never saw them before. Welcome to the world famous Jungle Cruise. We are world famous for being famous around the world. That's right, this is not the safari. You will not learn anything on this boat. My name is Brett. I'll be your skipper, your guide, your boat driver, navigator, and lifeguard. Hopefully it doesn't come down to the last one. I don't know how to swim. Good luck. Folks, we're in the Amazon rainforest. You will see lots of plants, animals, and you will hear lots of jokes. Yeah, jokes. They're all bad. Consider that a warning. Yeah, they're terrible jokes. Well, folks, up ahead on the left, we are passing by Schweitzer Falls. No, not Schweitzer Falls. What am I thinking? This is Inspiration Falls. How inspirational. Completely forgot the name. Well, anyways, if you stare at it, you will be inspired to go. The reason why I forgot the name. Yeah, deeper and deeper into the jungle. That's where we're going, folks. Now, I do have a question. How many of you have ever seen the Jungle Book? Cool, a few of you. Well, if you haven't, folks, there it is. That's the live action version. Folks, we are on the Congo River now, I remember. And this is where I'm hosting a welcoming party. But I can't see anyone. Canoe. Get it? Canoe. Because there's a boat. One of many terrible jokes, folks. I warned you. Oh, wow, look at that snake. That is one large python. Yes, a python. Not to be confused with a boa. Boas have feathers. Pythons don't. Well, folks, we have some uninvited guests. Those gorillas have completely trashed my camp. Well, not everything. It looks like they got that Jeep to turn over. Folks, we are now on the Nile River, one of the longest rivers on Earth. It goes on for miles and miles and miles. And if you don't believe me, you are in denial. And folks, there are African elephants up ahead on the left and right. Wow. Does anyone know why their ears are so big? You know what? It doesn't matter. It's irrelevant. Now we're entering the African belt, where we're being greeted by a celebrity. The Rock. Many people take it for granted. But here on the African belt, you will see lots of animals. Giraffe, zebra, ducks, a family of lions protecting a sleeping zebra. Yeah, this is a family theme park, so everyone that zebra is dead. Tired. Yeah, it's taking a nap, so I think we should let it rest in peace. Oh, hi, Nina. Folks, hyenas are my favorite. But it looks like that safari has gotten into some trouble. You should never argue with the rhino, folks. They will always get their point across in the end. Alright, folks, let's not be rude. Everyone, please say, bye, Nina. Bye. And now I would like to point out some of my favorite plants to all of you. I'm going to point them out. That one. That one. And that one. This is my top 3 favorites. So, now we are passing by Schweitzer Falls. How could I forget? Schweitzer Falls is named after the Jungle Navigation Company's founder, Dr. Albert A. Falls. Yeah, many of my friends have wondered how exactly did I land this job. Well, folks, just like that, I took a crash course. Actually, it was a transfer, but we don't talk about that. Alright, folks, I hear some splashing, so there must be more animals ahead. Oh, wow. Hippos. Folks, these are no ordinary hippos either. These are hungry, hungry hippos. Hungry, hungry hippos love to eat marbles. I don't have any. I lost my marbles years ago. They're rolling around here somewhere. I just have to find them. Oh, look, it's the natives. Up ahead on the right, they are dancing around in a circle. Folks, that can only mean one thing. They still don't know how to square dance. Now, folks, please keep your eyes open for an ambush. If you see an ambush, let me know. They are very dangerous. What are you all looking at? Oh, look, it's my friend. What a surprise. Ah, folks, there it is. That plant on the other side. That plant is an ambush. It is very poisonous, very dangerous. Now what you've all been waiting for. Please, give it up for the best side of the water. Feel the mist on your face. Well, everyone on this side, I'm sorry. You missed it. We're now on the Mekong River on a completely new continent, Asia. Over there on the right is a large sculpture of the goddess Shirley. So folks, we are now entering Shirley's temple. Keep your eyes open. I'm going to close mine. Elephants. If you want to document and take pictures, feel free to do so. All of these elephants still have their trunks on. Oh look, there's baby elephants. How cute. Oh folks, on the right side of the boat, you can see two baby elephants bathing under a full moon. Wow. Oh wow, folks, I think that elephant might try to spray the boat. Watch yourselves, you might think that's water, but believe me, it's not. Get it? It's not. Yeah, it's just a bunch of dry humor. That was actually kind of scary, just kind of. We almost got sprayed, folks. We're actually coming up to the scariest portion of our journey, the return to human civilization. Bum, bum, bum. Now, folks, before we do that, I'd like to point out my favorite flowers to you. Up at the top of the canopy, a flower called a hibiscus. It's real. This is not a joke. It's very pretty. But all those plants close to the ground right there, those are called lobiscus. Lobiscus. Now, this one right in front of us with all of the bark on it, that one's called a doggy biscus. But folks, we're now approaching the dock. So please remain seated until we have come to a complete stop. Make sure no one's arms, elbows, or hands are resting on the side. Make sure you bring them in. And as you exit, please do not climb over the middle. Don't do it. Exit all the way to the back for your safety. But folks, you have been truly outstanding. But as you can see, I'm all out of river, which also means I'm all out of jokes. So I do need you, outstanding, on that dock.